Today we're checking out the Venom Series V2 two-piece Wickerbill spoiler for the 2015 to 2023 Charger with that SRT rear spoiler. If your factory spoiler looks just a little plain for you and you want a sharper, track-inspired look while getting a little more stability at speed, then this is definitely worth checking out. The key feature here is going to start with that track-ready style using a large two-piece wicker bill that bolts onto your existing SRT spoiler. You get that tall, race-inspired edge across the back lip, which cleans up the airflow and can help the car feel a little bit more planted at those high speeds. The smoked center section gives a subtle accent that fits right in with most paint colors. It's built as a direct add-on for Chargers that already have that SRT rear spoiler, so the shape follows the factory lines, the holes land where they should, and the kit includes the mounting hardware that you're going to need. And if you stick with me, we'll show you that install here in a minute. Most folks add a wicker bill like this when they want a tougher look, a tighter finish around the spoiler's edge, and a simple bolt-on mod that gives you a fresh look on the rear end, and you can get it done right at home in the driveway. When it comes to the construction on this, the panel uses a tough polycarbonate base for the large piece, paired with a smoked acrylic center for a clean two-layer look that's light, impact resistant, and built to handle sun exposure, track days, and daily driving abuse. The edges are machine cut for a smooth profile, and the mounting points are drilled true so it sits straight and tight to stay secure and rattle-free over time. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in the upper $200 price range. For a made-to-fit two-piece wicker bill with a smoked center section for a little bit of accent and an easy install, that's a very solid value if you want style and a touch of function without going too overboard. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this job done in 30 minutes of your time. Now let's see exactly how this goes with a quick video from one of our AmericanMuscle customers.
Today we're installing this Wickerbill spoiler from AmericanMuscle. As you see, I got the taillight covers from AmericanMuscle as well. They work very well together. Can't wait to see how this turns out. So today we're going to use the insert riveter kit. We're going to use some pens. You can also use some Sharpies. You're going to use painter's tape. You're going to have a drill, a 1/8 drill bit, and you're going to also need a 25/64 drill bit. Also, you're going to need a ratchet with a 7/16 socket with some pliers, or as you want to say, vice grips, as well with what AmericanMuscle gives you to insert these to your spoilers. Okay, so part 2, this is what we're going to do. We're going to tape the spoiler all around to make sure that when we line it up, when we line this first part of the spoiler up, we mark it with the pen or Sharpie so we can get the accurate drill bit measurements that you need. So this is part 3. We got all the tape on the spoiler. Now it's time to line everything up. So what you're going to do is you're going to see where it fits the best. You're going to try to angle everything correctly. And then you're going to come with the pen that I'm going to grab right here. And you're just going to mark it. You mark it as best as you can. You want to mark every single one of them. You want to mark every single one of them. Now what you want to do is you want to grab this, the 1/8 drill bit, and wherever you mark it, you'll see where I marked mine. You can see there was 2, but I put a little bit more pressure where it wasn't. So this is where we're going to start. That's all you got to do. 1. Then you gradually go up the side so you don't damage anything else. You want to make sure you don't go through the top. And then I'm gonna do this one right here. I'm using a 3/16 drill bit. You can use any bigger size, but I don't want to do too much damage, so I'm gonna go gradually up. See, you don't need to put too much pressure, it just goes right through. Same one with this one, boom. And a finishing touch, okay. Let's do this one too. Not too much pressure, you don't want to damage everything now. Cool. This is good progress so far. And last but not least, after you drill your holes, we're gonna remove the tape from all ends. And once you get your holes big enough, what you're gonna wanna do is you're going to wanna get this tool that it comes with, when it comes to your parts pack, with the 7/16 and the ratchet. You're gonna want to torque this inside your spoiler. Once you have the threaded size. So you're gonna just keep threading it in, and then once you're done threading it in, you're going to switch the position and you're going to loosen it. You're going to loosen it as it goes inside, and when it does that, this will be stuck inside your rib nut hole. And for some people who can't just mark it with the pen, you can also tape your spoiler to the back where it aligns with each hole, if you look. And so we're gonna move on to one of the bigger steps. So once you have your hole already set through, it should align. You're going to want to push it inside, like so, and then you're gonna want to get your ratchet. You're gonna want to get your ratchet with the 5/16, and you're gonna want to tighten it. You're going to want to tighten this as much as you can. Let me change the setting real quick. Here we go. And as you see, it just goes in. And tighten it as much as it can possibly get tightened so it can't come off. And as you see. So then you're gonna switch it and you're gonna hold this, or you can use vice grips as well. And you can just undo it. And so just like that, it'll be stuck in the hole. And you're gonna wanna do that for each one of these. Now we're on the last rivet tool. We are using our hands to tighten this as we put it in. And as you see how it just automatically connects, you can just grab your hand or some vice grips, hold this, switch positions, and unlock it. Which will automatically unscrew this tool and leave the rivet tool inside, as you see. So now we are gonna grab an Allen key. You can grab a big one, small one, but this one I have a drill bit. And you wanna switch it out. You wanna put the screw in. You wanna get this black piece and this piece to look like this, okay? You wanna put it together, and now let's make sure the drill's going the right way. You wanna put it inside, and just like that. Just like that. And you wanna just keep going all around. And we're still drilling these in. And then, so for this, you wanna make sure before you work on these, you want to install this before anything. Okay guys, this is the finished product of everything. This is what it looks like. Let's clean up our station now. Okay guys, this is what it looks like. This is the product. Wickerbill from American Muscle.
right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Venom Series V2 two-piece Wickerbill spoiler for the 2015 to 2023 Chargers with that SRT rear spoiler. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at American Muscle.